Hello friends, welcome back to another video. This is the part 1 of the full Python tutorial series. In this video we will learn variables in Python. Hit the like and subscribe button for quick uploads. Here I am creating a file named variables.py. Oops. I spelt it wrong. I will rename it quickly. Let's learn about variables in Python. A variable is a symbolic name that is a reference or pointer to an object. Once an object is assigned to a variable, you can refer to the object by that name. So let's create our first variable. X equals starting quote hello friends ending quote. We use quotes for a string. You can either use double quote or single quote. Let's say we want to get the output in the terminal. Use the print command. This is the syntax: print parenthesis, parenthesis, and in between we will type x. The variable name. To run the program, open the terminal and type Python and then the file name. I am using the shortcut. If you want to use that, you need to install an extension named Python. Here we get the value of x. This is how to use the print statement. Let's see how to assign multiple variables a value in only one line of statement. X, Y, Z equals Python, comma, is, comma, the best. Not to forget, put it in quotes. I will use the print statement again. Comment the previous variables. And now we have to run the program again for the result. The result won't change automatically. See, in the terminal we got an output: Python is the best. That's because we concatenated the values to form a sentence. That's because we concatenated the values to form a sentence. Now let's take a look at data types. Now, I will create the variables from A to F for some data types. A is a string that is a data type. B is a number that is also a data type. C is a Boolean. D is a dictionary. E is a list. We are using a list as an array. And F is of no use. There are many more data types, but I will only show these. Let's change the array items. Type like shown on the screen to change it. Now, this is important. If we use print before the line that changes it, we get the old value. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.